Alright, I was just sandblasting the piece of my cowl here, and I just wanted to stop for a second and tell you guys something. When you're using your sandblaster and it's getting really dusty in there, stop and clean out or replace your air filter. You guys would not believe the number of replacement motors that we sell people every year because they won't clean out or replace their air filters. The things quit flowing air, and of course it burns up the motor. Have a look at what I'm about to pull out of this thing. You get the idea. You got to clean these air filters out or you're going to be buying a motor from us.